We've explored how play unlocks emotional intelligence and how it powers emotional growth. Today we take that journey further into the realm of creativity. What happens when emotion meets imagination? Let's explore how creativity becomes a bridge to influence emotional fluency. Emotional intelligence isn't just about feeling, it's about naming, regulating, and using our emotions wisely. Creativity gives us the tools to do just that. Whether through rhythm, movement, sound, or spontaneous creation, creative play opens channels that emotion alone cannot. Research shows that expressive activities activate emotional centers in our brain. Dopamine, flow, and neural rewiring all play a part. But this isn't about being an artist. It's about being connected to our emotional selves through accessible, everyday creative acts. Think of creativity as emotional exercise. There's no right or wrong, just movement, expression, and release. One brushstroke, one stretch, one sound. These creative expressions can unlock feelings that words won't reach. But why does this matter? Because emotional intelligence flourishes when there's access, and creativity is the key that expands that access. In moments of creative immersion, we don't analyze, we feel. That's where the emotional clarity of EQ begins. Let's explore how creative play deepens key emotional intelligence skills, starting with self-awareness. Freeform writing, intuitive drawing, and sensory exploration let us notice feelings without judgment. These actions say, "This is how I feel." No performance. No explanation. Just recognition. That can be extremely liberating. When emotions feel messy, creativity gives them shape and meaning. It's simple but beautiful. A spontaneous gesture, a hum, a brushstroke, a shift in posture, offers release without explanation. Each one quietly affirms, "I'm here and I'm feeling this." Simple, instinctive actions, like a sound, a mark, or a motion, give emotion a way out. No explanation needed, just pure and joyful release through creativity. Activities like moving together, sharing sound, or creating simple images can help people feel more connected and understood. These aren't just artistic tools, they're emotional tools that anyone can use. This is a space for emotional exploration, not performance. It's playful in spirit, but grounded in trust. Flexible, real, and built on safety so everyone can express freely. Let's highlight a few expressive practices that build EQ without requiring talent or structure. Mood mapping with color. Draw your current emotional landscape. No image, just feeling. You might find that red symbolizes blocked passion or that yellow reflects your happiness and optimism. Emotional stretching and mindful movement. In order to process and release emotional tension that may be stored in the body, you can do this using breathwork and motion, as you allow emotions to surface and move freely through the body. Sound journaling, recording your thoughts, feelings, and experiences verbally via a device, such as your phone or dedicated app. It's a great way to express yourself whilst working through your emotions. Work with a symbol collage, a collage that uses symbolic imagery to convey deeper meanings or emotional states that assembles patterns or textures to reflect your internal world. Let's talk about integration and how we can incorporate creative play into everyday emotional practice. Start small, a 2-minute sketch, a spontaneous hum, or an intentional pause to move more intuitively. Emotional intelligence isn't built in a moment, it grows through playful consistency. Creativity is the path, not the destination. Follow it and emotion becomes accessible, clear, and manageable. Across this 3-part series about emotional intelligence, or EQ, we've seen how play is not trivial, it's transformational. From sparking emotion, to powering growth, to deepening wisdom, play has been our guide. Emotional intelligence begins with awareness, grows through expression, and thrives in creativity. Let this be your daily invitation to play creatively, feel deeply, and grow wisely through innovative transformational play. I hope you enjoyed this series and that it may have given you some creative inspiration to work with. Please like, share and subscribe for more insightful health and wellness tips. Be happy. Be healthy. Live longer. Thank you.